Hi there, welcome guys, welcome to the video. And today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can redirect your WordPress website once you are logged in or once maybe any other user logged out of your website. For example, just for instance, let me just show you that when I click on this logout, you can see that the default WordPress behavior is that he WordPress redirect us to this page, right? So what if you want your customers and yourself to be redirected to the home page of the website or maybe the shop page of the website? What you're gonna do? You're gonna just follow me along to this video and you will see how to do it. So I want you to log into to the dashboard of your website, and over here I want you to install a plugin. Over here I want you to install a plugin named Code Snippets. Basically, for this, to achieve that behavior of WordPress of redirecting the website from logout to the home page or maybe some other page, we will we will be using the PHP code. So for injecting the PHP code into the functions.php file, I'm going to use code snippet plugin. You can use some other way of doing it. Maybe it's just pasting the code in functions.php file directly. That's all on you. If you want to do that, if you want to achieve that with that direction with that process, you can do that. But for this video, I'm gonna use code snippet plugin. I want you to install this plugin and activate it. As you can see, it's already been activated on my website. Once you've activated it, you will see something like this, right? So over here you need to click on add new. Over here, for example, let me just let's give this snippet the title. Um, let's give it this name, and over here I want you to paste this code. I'm gonna give this code to you in the link in the description below. You can just scroll down the video a bit and click on that link to grab this code. Once you have pasted the code over here, you just need to scroll down and click on save changes and activate. Once you have done that, come on, let's just go to the website and let's just give it a try that if it's working or not. Okay, so when I click on logout, we are supposed to be basically redirected to the home page of the website according to this snippet. So let me just try that and show it to you if is it working or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you can see that we are being redirected to the home page, and that would be it for today's video. And thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like the video and share the video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Good luck.